In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable smooth scrolling in Google Chrome, enhancing your browsing experience by ensuring pages scroll more fluidly and seamlessly. Enabling this feature can make a noticeable difference, especially if you spend a lot of time online reading articles, browsing social media, or simply navigating the web. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and navigate to the address bar at the top of the screen. This is the bar where you typically enter web addresses or search queries. In the address bar, type the following: Chrome/flags. The flags section allows you to access experimental features in Google Chrome that aren't part of the standard settings. This is a hidden gem where Google tests features that might eventually become part of the main offering. Once you've typed in Chrome/flags, press Enter on your keyboard. This will load a new page with a list of experimental features. These features are both being prepared for public release and some that Google is still testing to determine their effectiveness. Now, you need to focus your attention on the search bar located right underneath the heading of this page. It's specifically for filtering through the many options available. In the search bar, type in smooth scrolling. This quickly narrows down the list and hones in on the exact feature we're interested in enabling. As soon as you start typing, you'll probably see the list refreshing to display results that match your query. Look for the entry titled Smooth Scrolling within the list of options that appear. Once you've located the smooth scrolling option, take a moment to observe the drop-down menu to the right of it. This menu is crucial because it dictates whether a feature is enabled, disabled, or set to default, which merely follows whatever the current standard is. Click on this drop-down menu and you will see three choices: default, enabled, and disabled. What we want to do here is select enabled from the list. By doing so, you're telling Chrome to activate the feature across your browsing experience. After enabling this, it's important to finalize your changes by restarting Chrome. You'll notice a blue button at the bottom of your screen labeled Relaunch. This button is essential because changes to these settings only take effect after you restart Chrome. Click on this button, and Chrome will automatically close and reopen itself, applying any changes you've made in this session. And that's it! You've successfully enabled smooth scrolling in Google Chrome, making your time online just that bit more enjoyable. You should notice the difference as you browse around, with pages scrolling much more smoothly than before. So go ahead and enjoy the new ease with which you'll be able to read through lengthy web pages and articles. If you find yourself wanting a more traditional scrolling experience, you can always return to the Chrome/flags page and disable smooth scrolling following the same steps.